Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Tonight's video, I'm going to be doing a nice, relaxing, quick and easy clean of my master bedroom and my little office area. It's not too dirty, it's just kind of cluttered with clothes and stuff like that. I recently got some new bedding from Bed Bath & Beyond and I wanted to get that on there, so I thought it would be a perfect time just to tidy up and do a quick little video. If you guys are new to my channel, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button, and let's get into it. So here's the bedding set I got. It's really hard to find California King these days, but I got it on clearance. It was only $60, so I thought that was a great deal. And I know I'm crazy for doing white because it gets dirty so easy with the kids and the animals, but it looks so pretty. So I actually had my husband help me out with the bed skirt. That was a fiasco. I should have recorded it. But so he helped me with that, and then I'm just getting the sheets on, and I know they're super wrinkly, but you know what? Who cares? Nobody sees them. So I hope you guys enjoy. that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope it got you relaxed or maybe gave you some motivation. And we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!